Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using the Bosch 800 Series B22FT80SNS refrigerator and want to turn off the ice maker, you might be unsure where the control is or how to properly stop ice production. Many users try removing the ice bin or shutting off water, but that doesn't actually disable the ice maker system. Whether you're cleaning the unit, saving energy, or fixing an overfilling issue, turning it off the correct way is important. The best thing is that once you know where to find the control, you can disable the ice maker quickly and easily. Try these. Step 1. Open the freezer and locate the ice maker unit or control panel. Step 2. Find the ice maker on or off button or switch. Step 3. Press or toggle it to turn off the ice maker. Step 4. Check for an indicator light or display confirmation. Step 5. Remove or empty the ice bin if you don't need stored ice. Step 6. Close the freezer and confirm no new ice is being produced.